Hi students, welcome to computer class. See, the last class we have discussed about how to creating tables in MS Word. See how to create a table and how to entering data into a cell, and also how to inserting rows in the columns, and also we have discussed about how to delete the rows in the columns. Today we are going to discuss about the formatting a table. About first of all, we want to open the MS Word application. What is this MS Word application? Type it here MS Word. MS Word. You want to type and put enter. The MS Word application will appear. You want to select it the blank document. Okay, ma. How to insert a table? How to draw a table? See, you go to insert tab. Here table option, no. Down. You want to click a down arrow mark. Select the see. You draw this type of table. Okay, ma. Can you understand how to draw a table? Yes. How to formatting this table? We are going to discuss now. First of all, what is the meaning of formatting? Formatting is nothing but changing the appearance of the table. Okay, or changing the appearance of the table. How to format a table styles? Now, already we are inserting a table. Okay, well, how to format this table? You want to click a design tab. Upon which tab? Design tab in the table styles group. Okay, ma? Design tab in the tables tools group. Sorry. First of all, you want to click a design tab in the table tools group. In the table styles group, see it's fully this table styles. The formatting table fully occupied in the table styles group. Then you want to click which type of table you need. You want to select it anyone. Okay, ma. Otherwise, you need a more table styles means you want to click this arrow mark. It's fully occupied different types of tables. No, yes. You want to click any one of table here. Yes, yeah. I'm typing this table. Up see this table now. It's changed or not? Yes. Next, we are going to discuss about changing a row height. What is this? Changing a row height. First of all, you want to select or click anywhere in the row whose height you want to change. Anywhere you want to first of all select it. I am selected here, so otherwise I'm again see this table. I want to select this table. Okay, ma? I'm selected here. Then you click the layout tab. Page layout tab. You click it here, layout tab. Then in the cell size group, I want to click table row height option. What is this? Row height option. You want to click it this row height option. So you click it here. Abu, can you understand the difference or not? Yes. This row height changed or not? Yes or no? Yes. This row height changed. Next, the same way, how to change the column width. How to change the column width. First of all, you want to select. Already we have selected this table. Then you go to click a layout tab. In this layout tab, the cell size option is available. You want to click the width option, otherwise reduced. Apo, can you understand the difference or not? Yes, it's the column width is reduced. Yes, yes. Otherwise, to increase this column width means see here. Yes or no? Yes. Next, the next topic is applying borders and shading. Applying borders and shading. See, normally we set the normal table. Okay, va? You click it here. Control Z. The normal table is up here. So first of all, you want to select the entire table or cell. Okay, already we are selected. Then you click the design tab in the tables group. Which tab? Design tab. Yes, it's a design tab in the table tools. Next, in the table styles group is click down arrow of a border option and then choose from the following. Okay, see, first of all, here they given a border styles. No, otherwise the border tools also. You want to click it this borders option. Click one of the predefined border sets. See, border styles, you want to click any one of the style, you want to click it here. See, double layer. Otherwise you go to click borders option. It's having a many options. Can you understand or not? Maybe it's a bottom border, otherwise a top border, left border. Which side you want to click it. See, I'm selected here bottom border. See, can you understand this condition or not? Yes, I am selected the border style is a double line border and the bottom border I am selected. Okay, ma. Otherwise, you want to select, see here, draw no diagonal up border, otherwise diagonal down border, inside a vertical border, inside a horizontal border. Is there no? Which type of borders you need? You want to click it. Next, shading option. See here, same way you want to select the table. Already we are selected. You go to shading option. It's used to set the color. Okay, ma. You want to choose any color here. You want to select this color. See, select the desired shaded color. If you want to remove shading, click no color. See, suppose you want to click this color. First of all, you want to this color means select this color. It's a this table is shaded in a blue color. Otherwise, you no need this border means same way. First of all, you will select, then you click a no color option. No color option you want to click it, then click a OK. Okay, ma. This is the applying borders and the shading option. Next, inserting pictures in a table. What is this? Inserting a pictures in a table. How to insert a pictures in the table, ma'am? We are discussed. Okay, ma. Click in the cell where you want to insert a picture. First of all, you want to select the location. I want to click it here. Okay, ma. See, I am just click it here. I want to need a insert a picture in this cell. Okay, ma'am. Next, click the insert tab. Which tab, Apu? Insert tab. Click the picture option in the illustration group. In this, see here, this is the illustration group. In this illustration group, you want to click the pictures option. What is this? Pictures options. I am clicking here pictures option. After clicking the pictures option, the insert picture dialog box appears. Yes or no? Yes. We want to select which type of picture we want to insert in here. Otherwise, we want to select here saved pictures, no items here. So you go back. Camera roll. Yes, no. This is also no need. Otherwise, screen this. I want to insert this type of pictures. Okay, you want to select here and insert. You click the insert button. This picture is inserted here. Yes or no? Yes. The selected picture will be inserted in this table cell. Apu, can you understand or not? Yes. Okay, students, the remaining topics we will see the next class. Thank you.